Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I am going to be planning in my mini happy planner, which I use for college and keeping track of my daughter's homework. So I'm going to be using this printable kit from Pansys Prints, and this is the Frozen Garden kit. So we've got our decorative boxes up here, our flags, our full boxes that we can write in, some half and quarter boxes, our littles down the bottom. So this kit can actually be used over 2 weeks. So you've got your glittery day covers here, you've got some washi, some full box check boxes, some more washi up the top. You've got a full box down here for your notes, to cover your notes, that one and that one, so there's two different ones. There's some deco around the side, and then on the other page you've got your weekend banners, some more littles down the bottom, some deco, your date covers, some more day covers. So I'm going to be planning for next week, which is the week of January 27th through to the 2nd of February. So let me just take the pages out, because as always it's easier to plan when you don't have the pages in. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to pop down the washi first, because I always need to use my cutting mat for that, because sometimes it's a bit too long. So I'm going to pop that down first. Okay, so I've put that washi down, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to punch it. So on my my punch, I have actually marked where the middle is for mini, so it's easier for me to punch in the right place. There we go. Right. So I'm going to pop down my top washi next. Right, next I think I'm going to put down my full box down the bottom here to cover up the do all the things. So I could have used the pre-marked ones, the ones that's got the habit tracker and stuff on it, but because of what I use this planner for, I didn't really need the habit tracker. So I'm just going to use the notes cover instead. Okay, and then I'm going to pop down my full boxes. So now that I've put down my deco boxes, I think I'm going to put down my weekend banner next. Actually no, I'm not. I'm going to put down my day headers. I did have these in order, but then the cat stood on them and then they went all out of order. I really should start locking the cats out of the room when I'm recording, but it's just a habit to leave my doors open, so I will one day remember, and will not have an interruption from a cat halfway through filming. Right, next up I will put down my weekend banner now. And then I'm just gonna pop down these half boxes rather than the full boxes, just because of what I use the planner for. It's easier for me to do it this way. So alright guys, so that's me completed my spread for next week in my mini happy planner. I will leave a link in the description below to the kit that I used. As always, I will leave a link in the description down below to my Instagram account as well. And until next time guys, happy planning. Bye!